great and gifted all-rounder is the way I would describe Dr. Vijayanand. His never say die attitude is the reason which makes him stand apart among his contemporaries.
I've been working with Dr. Vijayanand Reddy for the past 8 years. He is an amazing personality. Features that I need to worth mentioning about him are his hardworking nature, his self-discipline and punctuality. For any meeting, he doesn't think he is the boss and he can come late. He is the first to be there. And that's how the students also have to be on time.
Over the past 5 years, what I have experienced with Dr. Reddy is the way he works, the way he takes up the work, and the way he ends with that work. The best part what I experience and what I really want to carry with me is the hard work, the positive attitude, and the most important, never let it go attitude.
His ability to strive hard to achieve best for his patients, to extract best from his peers, his colleagues, his students probably makes him a great leader.
His positive approach towards his life, the positive attitude, the assurance that he gives to the patients are worth mentioning. Whoever patient comes into his room, they go with a feeling that they are half cured, more than half cured. That's what all the patients and families come back and tell. By talking to you, sir, we are more than half cured, and that's more important for a cancer patient and the family of a cancer patient. That's what I learned from him for working all these years.
డాక్టర్ విజయానంద్ రెడ్డి గారి లాంటి డాక్టర్స్ ఉన్న రోజులు దేనికి భయపడాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. చిన్న వయసులోనే క్యాన్సర్తో పోరాటం సాగించిన నాకు డాక్టర్ గారి వల్ల అసలైన విజయానందం అంటే ఏమిటో తెలిసింది.
The team what he has made is really surprisingly one of the best I can say in my colleagues. When I came here and I was just starting, I was knowing that there is a team concept, but I was not sure enough how I will fix up in this team. But because of the comfort zone given by the Dr. Reddy, I was able to mix up and make up a part of the team which is really responding well.
Dr. Vijayanand Reddy, frankly speaking, the amount of the counseling he has given us, the support he has given us, I forgot that I had some problem.
His penchant and eagerness to learn from his colleagues, to learn from his students, from staff, from everybody, probably gives him success in all walks of life, that may be his subject or sports or anything.
The energy levels that he has towards the end of the day to see a patient is almost the same that he has at the start of the day. That's what I always appreciate in him, because sometimes we feel tired. Like, why is the patient coming so late in the evening? But he doesn't say that. And his sense of admiration and appreciation towards something that is good, that's well done, is amazing. He just appreciates and he just imbibes that feeling of feel good factor for any patient, for anybody. He just says it's looking good, it's nice, it's well done. So that's what I like in him. And at the same time, he also criticizes, he also says which is not done perfectly, which is not done correct, so that anybody can learn how to do it better. That's what I learned from him.
The life of the Dr. Reddy, I am just aware of the 5 years, but I heard a lot about him. So what I can really brief up in Urdu is, मंजिल क्या है, रास्ता क्या है, हौसला है तो फासला क्या है. From where he started and from where he is one of the big thing. But more important and the finest of the finest thing is, he has not grown himself. He is not the one who has grown, but he made the entire team, the entire department, the entire outlook to grow along with him. And that is the best thing what I can say about him.
He has basic humanitarian qualities. He does so many social activities, and the thing that I like the most in him, he doesn't say no to anything. For any academic session, for any morning meeting, for any seminar, for any students learning session, anything, for any social activity, for a social party with a family event, he says no. He says I have time for everything.
This has been my 5th year in with Dr. Vijayanand Reddy, and I can say 20 years back, when I was a child, I used to listen from my parents that they put the money in Indra Vikas Patra and that doubles after 5 years. And today I can say that relation with my Dr. Vijayanand Reddy is something more than double, triple or more than that.
He's a very good team leader, and it was I have learnt a lot from you, sir, and it's fun working with you.
It's really been an honor, sir, and a great experience. Has been a great experience to work with you.
This might sound very cliche, but he is a very devoted husband and father. And I think what I admire most in him is he's constantly trying to improve on himself, whether it be a relationship with his son, with me, or his staff at work. And probably that's the reason why he excels in whatever he does. For instance, he would deal with the situation concerning his son, and then he would come up to me and ask, "Did I do this better than the last?" That's how he is, and that's why he is special.